Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. How y'all doing today? Hey citizens, what's going on? Guys, we are back with a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I was not expecting to unbox anything until maybe the end of this month, September 30th, hopefully before then. Guys, I was just waiting for the loop hobo bag, the reverse monogram loop hobo bag that everybody is like going crazy over. I got to put my pre-order in the beginning of the month of September. I was told that it's going to release on the 29th. I'm hoping that I will be able to get it before the 29th. Well, it's right around the corner. Today is what is today's date? The 26th. So a couple more days. Hopefully I have the bag of the year. Because trust me, that bag is a fire bag. I'm going to put the picture right here. That bag is so fire. That is the bag of 2021 for Louis Vuitton, in my opinion. So guys, back last year from around my birthday time, I purchased the Neo No Way MM monogram with the black accents. I love my Neo No Way. It was so cute. It was so cute. I actually bought a bandolier strap to go with it because it comes with just a black leather strap, and I just wanted to add a little more to it. But after carrying it maybe about 5 or 6 times, I noticed it started like peeling. Like, I'm gonna try to put some videos right here. Guys, it was just like peeling all around the top and the bottom of the bag. I could not believe it. But I know, manufactured have issues or whatever. So, for a while, I was like, I'm going to take it back. I'm going to take it back. And I never did. And I thought I missed like my year deadline or whatever. So I never got a chance to take it. So then one day I was in my closet cleaning up and I'm like, I really need to do something about this bag. So me and my husband jumped in the car and I was actually thinking I was just going to go and get another Neo No Way or just have it repaired. So I went to Louis Vuitton and King of Prussia, and they gave me the option to get the same exact bag or get like basically a credit for what I paid for and get a total different bag. So when I was in there, I tried the all leather Empreinte, I think that's what they call it, Neo No Way in black. Here, I'll put another little clip right here. Super cute. I love it or whatever, but I just wasn't feeling it at the time. I think it's because I really have this loop hobo bag on my mind. So it's like I've been looking at everything reverse monogram because I think the loop hobo bag has the monogram on the bottom of it. So I said, you know what? If I get the same exact bag, I'm afraid that it's going to do the peeling again. I don't want to deal with that. I don't think anybody ever had any issues with peeling with the leather or anything like that. But I just wasn't super duper impressed with it. It's gorgeous. I love it. But I just wasn't like, oh yeah, this is it. This is the bag. So I purchased something else. I actually had to add maybe about $700 towards my purchase because when I got my Neo No Way MM, I think I paid, let me check and see how much I paid. I paid like I said, I got this in June of 2020. I'm just scrolling back on my purchase, my history, because it'll give you like the price that you purchased, because I know it went up. So I paid, and I think this is including taxes, I paid $1929.91. Right now, what made me think that maybe I should just keep it and just get another bag was the fact that the Neo Noe went up. And I know I loved my Neo Noe, and I still want to have that in my collection. So now I'm having like regrets of purchasing something different. But let's just pull. I have my iPad right here, so I'm just gonna pull up the price of the Neo Noe as of right now. It's a $200 difference from when I purchased it. So guys, this bag I have been eyeing for a while. So I actually just gave them my Neo Noe bag, and I left out with this beautiful bag. And let's just get it open. I should put this here. Put this here. No, I don't like that. So guys, I've been eyeing this bag for a while. Wasn't sure, I was on the fence. It comes in so many different variations: monogram, reverse monogram, leather. So I reached out to a couple of YouTubers and asked them, you know, how do they feel about this bag? This bag has been around for a while, very popular, and it was talks on another YouTube channel that this bag may get discontinued sometime next year or this year. I'm not sure. So, you know, I said, you know what? Let me just get this now, and hopefully I really enjoy it. Hopefully I enjoy it more than my Neo Noe. I really liked my Neo Noe. I had bag organizer for it. Like I said, I ordered an extra strap for it, but I was really disappointed with the peeling, and like I said, I only got to wear it maybe about 8 different times. So hopefully I have no issues with this bag. So enough rambling, and let's just get it open so you guys can see what I purchased. Just do it like this. Take the beautiful bow off. And like I said, this was an in-store purchase. And I'm gonna open it. Here it is. Can you guess what bag? Maybe you can guess from the shape, and if you watch a ton of unboxing videos, you probably already know from the hint I said that it's rumors that this bag may be discontinued. I don't know if the bag or just the reverse monogram, so I gave you a hint. It's definitely reverse monogram. Here it is, guys. It is the beautiful Pochette Maltese and the reverse monogram. How cute is it? I'm pretty sure you guys seen this all over YouTube for years, but I'm really happy that I added to my collection. Still has the plastic on it. This was a brand new one that they got me from out the back. They was very pleasant at the King of Prussia Louis Vuitton store. Very apologetic, no issues. They was very impressed with how my bag still looked brand new, and I bought it last year, but I told them, you know, I don't carry my bags every single day, and I really take care of my luxury items. I try my best, and that's why I started switching over to a lot of the monogram with the black leather, so it can be more carefree. But here it is. Let's just talk about this bag. Let's get it open. So when you open it, I'm pretty sure you guys know, you squeeze the little 2 little buttons here. See these 2 buttons? You just squeeze these 2 together, and then this just pops open, and then you open it here, and you still have the reverse monogram here, and then the regular monogram here, and then it comes with a reverse monogram adjustable strap. And I just love that with all the gold hardware. Super cute. Just put the straps on. And guys, when I was in there looking at all the different bags, once she brung this out, I just was like, I'll take it. She's like, you want to try it on? You want to think about it? You want to try some other bags? And I told her, I said, no, I have been eyeing this bag for quite some time. And I might as well just get it now. And she was like, I think it's a good idea. And it has the 3 compartments. So that's the back compartment. It's all in black. It's like microfiber or suede in the inside. I'm not sure if it's microfiber or suede. And then you have your front compartment, which is very roomy. It has the 3 compartments. You have the one all the way in the back. Then you have your second compartment here. And then your third compartment in the front. I hope I'm giving you guys a good view. And then I love the zipper on the back. You can definitely fit your phone back here. Probably a 6 key ring holder. I would definitely do a what fits in my bag. I love the top handle. You can carry it like this. And it's just like a mini briefcase. I think that's why I like it. I think it's a mini briefcase. My Neo Noe was very stylish. I loved it. Crossbody, shoulder. And you can do the same with this bag. Crossbody, you can carry it as a shoulder bag. You can switch out the strap, which I can put the bandolier strap, the thicker one, on here if I like. But I think I really like this one, and I think this probably will not be my last pochette motif. I think I will go with the full monogram as well. I know you probably like, why it's the same thing, but it's not the same. It's not the same. All monogram with the vachetta leather. I think I will go with that, and I probably would just treat it with apple guard because that one pops as well. So this is it, guys. And like I said, I was not expecting to unbox anything until I got my other bag, and I cannot wait to get that bag and share it with you guys. I don't know what they're waiting for to ship me the bag. You know, I seen it a release in Mexico, so I'm hoping my bag should be in the mail today. But until then, we will focus on this bag. This beautiful pochette motif. And I think I'm going to order me a organizer just to keep it clean. I really don't need it. I'm not sure. I'll probably carry it for a week or two before I think about ordering an organizer and see how I like it. I'm not even sure if I'm going to pull the plastic off yet. You know, when you get a new bag, it's just like super exciting. I don't care how many bags you have. You're just like super excited about having a new bag in your collection. And I think I really love it. It is super, super cute. Maybe I'll get some mod shots for you guys. And tell me what you think. Okay, here it is, crossbody. Just those quick little mod shots. It's a little hard to close when the bag is empty. So it actually looks good with, I have on all cream. It looks good. But I love the crossbody. I didn't even adjust the strap. This is what they had it set on, and it fits pretty good. Maybe I could lower it a little bit. But sometimes I like my bag a little high. I like to rest my arm on my bag a little bit. So I think I'm going to keep it on this setting. And here it is as just a shoulder bag. And it looks just as good as a shoulder bag. Yes, it's super cute. Okay, I'm feeling it. And then if you want to, let me just close it first. Force it closed. Carry a top handle. I will probably take the strap off. Let's take the strap off. The top handle. Okay, so here it is. Top handle, and it looks gorgeous. Yes. Okay, so this is my first reverse monogram piece, and I love it, guys. I'm actually going to carry it today. Yes, I love it. It is super cute. I can see me carrying this top handle. I really could. I'll put like a little what do you call it, bandeau on it, and I think it will look so cute. Yes. Okay guys, that is it for this Louis Vuitton unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, and if you did, leave a comment below. Let me know how you feel about the pochette motifs, the monogram. Did you hear anything about it being discontinued? And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, share my video. And if you're new here and you have not subscribed, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, sis, signing out. Peace.